Hi everyone, hi to my Baldy fans. I'm going to do the I'm going to get the bullet train today from Seoul to Busan, so you can watch me how I do it. Might not be much speaking because I'm going to put the camera on my head. I might try and speak, it depends how busy it is, but it might be too loud or I might be too embarrassed. We'll see. We'll see how we get on anyway with the bullet train. Hope you enjoyed yesterday's vlog. Me very tired, coming from all the way from Glasgow to Seoul without sleeping for 35 hours. The journey wasn't 35 hours, but there's reasons. Anyway, see you over at the train. Bye bye. I need to learn some Korean language. I don't know how to say good morning in Korean. I say hola. I think that might be wrong. I'm at the station. First thing I need to do is top up my T-money card. So let's see how I can do this. See if I can do it with, if I need cash to top it up or top it up with my actual bank card. Let's have a look. These tickets. So I don't look like the cards. McDonald's. Should go there for breakfast. I still haven't eaten hardly anything since I got here. One bit of chicken from 7-Eleven. So if you're going anywhere around here, you need to get a T-money card, as I've said. This is how you charge it. Get your T-money card. Place it on there. Is it cash? I think it's cash only. Oh. Cash.
Can I help you?
Is it cash only this? Could I not pay by card?
Yeah.
So I've got to pay by cash.
Only.
Okay, thank you.
So you choose.
I don't know how much I want. It's 50,000 a lot.
Oh,
have I got that on it already? Is that on my card?
yeah.
Ah,
It's enough.
I thought I spent that. I thought the journey was that much or something.
Oh no.
Okay.
You don't have
So
to.
it was only 450 yesterday.
Yeah. It's enough.
Alright, that's good.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. There we go. I can't show you, but you normally press what you want and stick money into your cards. That's what you do. Then you just go around using it each time you go on and off somewhere. I didn't think I had any left after yesterday, so I thought it was 550s yesterday. But actually, that's what I left out of 50,000. So that's good. Nice young lady who helped me then, so that was good. Right, let's carry on. Right, so 1357. That's the one. Track 8. That's good. Track 8, we've got that right up to now. But where's track 8? 10. I'm gonna get some food on the bullet train. Right, so we've got to go to track number 8. I've got a reserved seat. You buy the bullet trains online. I got them from railninja.com. Other suppliers are available. Look at this. Everyone waiting.
Please make your way to platform 13.
Here is number 8. Let's get a coffee. Let's get something. Hello. Have an iced cafe latte, please. See the bullet train, do they have food on it? Have they got food on the bullet train?
I'll treat you.
They're food, okay. I'll sit over here and have a drink. Just waiting to get my bullet train. Who's that? Platform 8. Quite easy up to now. You've got to come to Seoul Station. And it's straightforward. Right, so here we go. Let's go down to the train.
Oh, 7.
Okay, let's go to number 7. Well, the train, I can't film it from the front, so I don't know where the front is. It's at the end, I guess. Right, let's have a look. Right, 7, it's 5A. 5A. Okay, so the window seats, but I got no window. Look, that's my window seat. So a lady comes down with some machine. Can you buy food anywhere? Food. Thank you. speaking English?
Yes.
Is someone sells food in here?
Pardon?
Is there food? Someone
Food?
sell food?
No.
Oh, they told me the station there
Only
was.
this one.
Oh, that.
Okay.
Okay. Well, there's a machine over there, right? Save me walking the rest of the way. Thank
This
you.
train, no Canton train.
Okay. Alright, thanks. No food. No food on this train. Sale. Drink either. Very well here, remember. Well, I get anything since I got to this country. I had one bit of chicken. I can't see. Oh god. Right, here we go. Goodbye, bullet train. Oh, thank you. I haven't got a clue where I'm going, but I'll go up here then try and work it out. I need to stop and work this out. 8 exits. I need to go out the right one. Right, I've got to work out if I'm going to walk to this place or not. Get directions. How to get there. Find a taxi. Can't find a taxi. 1 hour 22 minute walk. Well, I'm not doing that. Right, what public transport we got? 26. Oh, not another flipping train. Oh. Okay, where's the train? Train. Looks like I've got 16 minutes walk on the subway. I need to get to line 1. Okay, let's put my bag on my back. Let's get going. Right, line 1. Nupo bound, line 1. Oh, platform's 1. Oh, that's good. That's handy. We're here. 26 minutes. What the heck? Oh, 16 minutes of that is a walk. Nupo bound. Right. Line 1. Can't see Nupo on it. So let's go up here. I don't know when it's coming. I don't even know if I'm at the right place. It parts at 16:47. It's 16:50 now. Oh dear. We missed it, or is it late? I can't read it. Don't know what I'm doing here. Well, it says 1. Let's go with it. Oh, hang on a minute. I've got to exit the station and get to another station. So I've got to do a 6-minute walk before I actually get there. Right, so it's a different station. Right, exit 6. No idea. Oh, this way I see an arrow. See a number. Still haven't eaten. Oh, I'm not eating now. I want to find me a place. I'll find my hotel first. So this is me coming from Seoul station on the bullet train all the way to my hotel in Busan. The main district where I think everyone goes to Busan. Most people. This is the way to do it. Or as you see, the way not to do it. Exit 5. Exit 6. Here it is. Once I'm out of here, I don't even know where I'm going. I should have just stayed there. Right, exit 6. Now where? Let's try going this way, see if it goes to the right place. No, it's going the wrong way. Try this way. Oh, this is the wrong way, for God's sake. What's these maps like? Right, so. I'm lost. Nopo bound. Get on line 1 at Nopo bound. Busan station. This is Busan station. Let's get back on. Why is that going there? What the heck? I don't get this. Wish I had Uber around here. Here we've got to go down here. Let's have a look. Oh, following the dots. I think we've got to be inside. I don't get this. But it's telling me to go for an exit. Go down there, should be on the docks. I bet it sends me back in again. Ah, I wonder if it's a metro maybe. Maybe it's time to go that way. Let's have a look. Let's see where these dots go on my phone if I go this way. Ah, here we go, look. Line 1, that's what I need. Line 1. Line 1. That's what I had to go out. I had to go out and come down here. Oh, the train stations are massive here. Even the small ones. Oh, and a wee shopping centre here. Underground shopping centre. Number 1. Here we are. There we go. Must be a train there, everyone's rushing. Oh. Right, 6 stops. Hopefully. Here he comes. It's absolutely mobbed. I'm going on with a case on. I think it's rush hour. Probably some will get off. Nope. Right, that's us off our destination. I've got to walk to the hotel in another 10 minutes. It normally takes me double the amount of time if I don't go the right way. Seven, 12, 10, 7 this way. Once you get out, walk 10 minutes. Oh. Goodness me. What? Must be an escalator somewhere. There's no lift. Oh, sick. That's ridiculous. No escalator. You do your wheelchair or something. God's sake, here we go. Charles will be flipping the phone down by the time we get up here. That's at 10 minutes walk, just getting up these flipping stairs. Ridiculous. An escalator. That's stupid. That is. An escalator. I just seen an escalator now. Right, 6 minutes. If we go the right way, that is. Let's see. Am I going the right way? No, I'm not going the right way. Yeah, I am going the right way. See, I'm doing this the cheap way instead of dropping in taxis all the time. No wonder I drop in taxis most of the time. Because the cheap way is not the best way. Unless you want to save money, of course. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is Busan. I think I've got to turn right now. We're okay, we're all good. Down there. So maybe it's 3 minutes now. Oh, look at this place. A bit more lively.